This is what you guys are gonna do to actually just lock in, bro. Okay? This is what you're gonna do. Right now, I am motivating and inspiring a lot of people on my second channel. This is my main one. And this is how you guys are gonna lock in, okay? I'm gonna talk to you guys on a real serious note here. I want you guys to find yourself. I want you guys to do stuff that you enjoy. And the best way to do that is to journal. You know, really discover yourself. What are some things that you'd love to do as a kid? For me, it was making videos and talking to a camera and having people resonate with what I'm saying, right? Take little bits and pieces of information, dilute it to their own personal situation or struggle or whatever they're going through, and take some sense of inspiration to do better. Because we all have a lot of things in our lives that hold us back, mine included. I have family issues, I have myself, but you guys gotta realize that the only person that is limiting you is yourself, you know? And that is a mindset issue. It is, it's all mindset, bro. Because you can really do whatever you want if you just set your mind to it. Like, you really can. This is the type of content that I want to present and project to millions of people, and that is what I'm going to be doing. So a lot of people will say, you know, locking in is some grind. Like right now I have this thing, it says, to be honest, you kind of remind me of what I want my mindset to be. Like I've had times where I'm not motivated, but your videos seem like those videos of people before they're young, you know, before they're successful. I don't know why I started there. My bad, guys. But guys, like, look, bro. You guys are always gonna have moments in your lives where you feel like you're struggling, and this is what you guys need. You guys need the Bible. I'm not a religious person, but I do believe this will save your life. And how do I know that for a fact? I know that because it has significantly helped me. And the reason why is because I've been able to realign myself with my goals and my actions and my habits. Like I'm starting to work out again. And I was on a 5-year streak of working out consistently. Like, and I stopped. Well, I didn't really stop at all. I was always working out, but it didn't feel like I was putting in as much effort as I was previously. And that can suck. It really can when you know, you're not really kind of being your true self, I guess. You know, it can be pretty tricky, but we got to figure it out. You know, we got to figure it out. And we will. We're all going to figure it out, okay? Just don't lose faith. I believe in you, okay? I promise you. You're going to make it work. All right, guys? Short little video. But I'm going to promise you. I want you guys to actually lock in, all right? I love y'all. Peace out. 999.